Welcome to my channel 50 and Flourishing. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a subscribe button onto your videos so that people can subscribe immediately. If you go to your YouTube studio, if you go there, you go down, you scroll down till you get customization. Once you're there, just catch up. You will also move down to the part where it says video watermark. So guys, how do you do this? You can create, I'm going to say change so I can show you. You're going to create something like this on your Canva template. On a Canva template, and you can say done. It must be 150 by 150 pixels. You've now got options. Either you can say at the end of the video, but maybe somebody's not going straight through to the end and then you can lose them. You can also put a custom time where you set the timer, which is a very good option, but because I'm also loading shorts, I prefer to have it on my entire video. So once you've loaded it up there, it will automatically be part of your videos. Then you just go up to the right hand corner, remember to press publish so that it now can be part of your videos. Let's go and see if we can see it on the video now. We're going to go back to my channel and we will have a quick look to see if it is on my video. Let's go in there and we just quickly test it, and there you can see
the way of, I don't feel like it now, needs to be now. It's not about feeling it.
So there you could see that it is on there and it is also now clickable. You can click and your customers can subscribe straight to your channel. Thank you for today. Keep an eye on the next step that I will be giving and have an absolute awesome day.